In this video, I'll detail how to turn off or disable reduce motion on Apple Watch Series 9. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 9, whether 45mm or 41mm with GPS or GPS and cellular, then you can easily turn off or disable reduce motion on your Apple Watch. So if I don't know this video, if you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is click on the two ground ones to exit the clock face and go to the app menu. On the app menu or app list, click on settings. Then in the settings space, scroll down. Just keep scrolling until you get to accessibility and then click on that. Once you selected accessibility, then scroll down all the way to reduce motion. You can see limit animation of the user interface, then click on it. Once you tap reduce motion, then you have an option to turn off or disable reduce motion. Then disable this. So if you want to also disable autoplay message effect when reduce motion is enabled or disabled, then turn this off. So you have successfully disabled or turn off reduce motion on your Apple Watch Series 9. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.